Have you ever heard that particles can be in two places at once? Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's actually one of the strangest and most fascinating truths in quantum physics. It all comes down to an experiment so weird, it shook the very foundation of reality. This is the double-slit experiment, and it might just change the way you see the universe. Imagine this. We take a board with two slits in it, place it in front of a screen, and start firing tiny particles, like electrons or photons, one by one. If particles behave like tiny balls, we should see two clumps on the screen where they pass through the slits, just like if you were throwing pebbles through two holes. But that's not what happens. Instead, what shows up on the screen is a pattern of light and dark stripes, an interference pattern. That's what happens when waves interact, not particles. It's like each particle went through both slits at the same time, interfered with itself, and then landed in a place that matched this wave-like behavior. Particles acting like waves. Somehow each particle was in a state of superposition, both slits at once until it chose where to land. This already bends the mind. But then scientists took it a step further. What if we put detectors at the slits to observe which slit each particle goes through? Simple enough, right? Well, once we look, the interference pattern disappears. Now the particles behave exactly as you'd expect. Two clumps, like little marbles. So just by observing the particles, we force them to pick a slit, collapsing the wave-like behavior into a solid particle path. Reality literally changes depending on whether or not we're watching. This suggests something shocking. At the quantum level, reality isn't fixed until it's observed. Before we look, particles exist in a cloud of probabilities, both here and there, up and down, particle and wave. It's not until an observer steps in that the universe makes a choice. Einstein hated this. He once said, "God does not play dice with the universe." But quantum physics seems to say, the universe rolls the dice when you're not looking. So yes, particles can be in two places at once, and the act of simply watching them collapses that magical possibility into a single, solid fact. The double-slit experiment isn't just a physics trick, it's a glimpse into the bizarre and beautiful mystery that lies beneath our everyday world. What else is possible if reality itself waits for you to observe it? Thanks for watching. And if your mind was just blown, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending science.